Hi everyone, I will be doing a test on the drop phone for the Moto Z Force 2. As you can see, this is Z Force 2 shatterproof screen. Just want to make sure it's a shatterproof for sure. So I'll be dropping, we'll start from 2 feet and I'll go higher. As you can see, there's no cracks on the screen. Everything is clean, maybe a few light scratches, but otherwise that's it. So I'll be starting from 2 feet, face down. Let's go. Okay, I fell down. Nothing. As you can see, everything's still good. We'll be doing more. Okay, I'll try now 3 feet. Drop this. Again, nothing. Still, the phone is still good. Looks like, yeah, it's still clear. That was from 3 feet drop. Now I'll be doing more. As you can see, I'll be doing this is like about 4 feet. I'll do face down. Just, we'll see right now if it didn't shutter. It's still good. As you can see, frame got scratched a little bit on the side, but otherwise everything is good. LCD is still good. As you can see, still everything's still good. I'll do it backwards. Camera glass didn't crack. Everything is still good, as you can see. Just a couple scratches on the sides. Otherwise that's it. Okay, and then I'll do last test from around like 6 to 7 feet. As you can see, I'll be dropping face first. So this is the 7 feet. Hopefully this one works. Yeah, still good. No dead pixels, nothing. Everything's still working perfectly fine. Screen works fine. As you can see, goes back. It's actually it's doing some weird stuff. No, still works fine. Nothing cracked in the back, so I guess it passed test. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.